What is cable connector? For cable, a wire connects different devices. Connector, a piece of hardware we put on the start and end of the cable. Port, it is a hole on the specific devices we are using that. How they work together? First, connect cable to a connector. Second, insert the cable and connector to the port of devices. Types of cables and connectors. There are a lot of cables and connectors. Most common are fiber optics cable, coaxial cable, and Cat cable. Fiber optic cable with connectors. It has different connectors. Coaxial cable with connectors. It also has different connectors. The last one, Cat cable with connectors, two connectors, RJ11 and RJ45.